Hello students, this is part 7 of chapter 1, What is Psychology, class 11th. As we have already discussed that psychologists, they basically engage in two kinds of activities, and these two activities are research and application. Today in this video, we are going to learn about some of the themes that provide direction to research and application in psychology. So let's start. Let's first take the first theme, and that theme says psychology, like other sciences, it attempts to develop principles of behavior and mental processes. What it basically means? It basically means that psychologists who engage in research, they act more like scientists. They try to understand things, they try to explain behavior, mental processes, and events. And to do so, they design and conduct experiments and studies. They do so in controlled conditions. They draw out conclusions based on the data that support it, and they try to develop general principles about behavior and mental process that can be applied later to different situations. Also, it is very important to note that themes of research, they vary from one field to another. Let's understand this. Like for example, developmental psychologists, they study qualitative and quantitative changes in behavior from the beginning of human life to its end. Whereas experimental psychologists, they study the processes of perception, learning, memory, thinking, and motivation using different experiments. Whereas physiological psychologists, they try to attempt to examine physiological basis of the behavior. Now let's talk about theme number 2, and according to it, human behavior is the function of the attributes of person and his environment. Kurt Lewin, he was the first one to propose the famous equation, and according to that equation, behavior is the function of person and his environment. So variation in human behavior, they are largely due to two reasons, either because of the genetic makeup, genes they inherit from their parents or ancestors, or because of the diverse condition or experiences around them, that is the environment. Psychologists, they agree that no two individuals are the same. If we consider their psychological attributes like their intelligence or their interests or the values or aptitudes and their personality characteristics, they differ from each other. A discipline called differential psychology focus on such individual differences. So psychologists, they try to explain various psychological phenomena based on two things, that is their genetic makeup and their environmental interactions. Now let's talk about theme 3, and that says human behavior is caused. Let's try to understand this. If we try to explain human behavior, it is basically caused either because of some internal reasons or because of some external reasons. So we can say that behavior occur because of different causes and reasons. We cannot say simply that X causes Y like a linear equation, but human behavior at times, it has multiple causes. So it is very difficult to pinpoint one cause and say that this leads to that behavior. There can be a single factor or there can be multiple factors for that particular behavior. Now let's move on to theme 4, and that says that understanding of human behavior is culturally constructed. What we mean by this? Culture of our country is different from other countries. So when we try to understand behavior and study behavior in our settings, we must realize that it varies from other cultures. Some psychologists, they believe that most of the psychological theories and models, they are Euro-American, and therefore they do not help us to understand behavior in our cultural settings. Psychologists, they also argue in favor of dialectical approach. That means they want to accommodate both male and female perspectives in understanding human behavior. Now let's move on to theme 5, and it says that human behavior can be controlled and modified through the application of psychological principles. There are different branches of psychology, and what they do, they try to use psychological principles, facts and theories to diagnose and resolve problems that are related to different settings, like in industries, in clinical services, in different environment or education, and so on. So psychologists are working in different fields. They are engaged in delivering services to either individual or groups or institutions. They are making life easy for them. They make interventions into the lives of needy people to help them solve their respective problems. I have tried to cover all the themes in psychology in this video in a very simple and easy language so that you find it interesting and understand it better. Hope you will find it useful. Will bring you a new topic in my next video. Thanks for watching.